Alright guys, PC Basics back at you with another video. With me today I got a special guest.
Rip and Tear Athletics.
Yeah.
Please subscribe. New channel starting out, doing some fitness and stuff. Keep you in shape. Well, the gyms are closed, and so there you go.
Yep. Basically, he's my brother. And today I'm going to show you how to make a bootable USB flash drive like this one. You'll probably want 8 to 16 gigs of storage on it. Yes, format. Yes. Yes. Alright, so now that that's starting off, getting formatted, you're definitely going to want it formatted. You can't just use all your files, and you're going to want to back it up too. Otherwise it's just going to, it's just going to erase everything. So what you're going to want to do is go to your browser of choice and download either Rufus, which is a USB creator, or, which I'll put the links in the description, by the way. So this is Rufus.
So what is that for? What's that do?
This is a USB creator. So basically right here you choose your device, and then like the USB, and then here you select the ISO file you want, like Windows 10. I'll show you how to get that.
Okay.
Name it what you want, you hit start, and it formats it.
Oh.
So what you want to do is download Rufus 3.9. I should already have it. I have 3.5 and 3.8. So we're just going to download the new one. Maybe. Come on. Why is the internet so slow today? Okay, we're going to put that on our desktop. You're going to want to run that. Hit yes. And there it is. Really easy. You can also, to get the ISO, Windows 10 ISO.
Got the end.
Oh, whoops. Okay, so you go to Microsoft.com, and you want to download the media creation tool, and you also want the ISO, but because I'm on Windows I can't get the ISO. You want to okay, so say you're not on Windows 10 and you want the Windows 10 ISO. You just go here and you find the ISO you want. This is not the ISO. This is how to download it. Whatever, I'll give you a link to the ISO, a safe link. So what this does is this already gives you the ISO, the Windows 10 setup, installation tool basically. You can create a flash drive with this, or you can create a flash drive with this. You can use Rufus to do Unix, Linux, pretty much any operating system you want, including Windows.
So what is this bootable to? Like, could I throw this on my MacBook and...
Yeah.
Oh.
You can't use Rufus on... You can't use either of these on Mac. But if you...
Well, I mean, like, if you plug the USB in, you could boot Windows right off the thing, or do you have to download it first?
Yeah, you can't run in Windows off a USB.
Okay.
You need to install it. You can also use UNet boot-in, which is all Unix stuff. This is actually, it works on Mac. This one you can download for Windows, and I'll show you that one too. And there is also the Windows 7 Media Creator tool, which I actually might have for once. Nope, not on here. This lets you select the distribution of basically Unix or Linux you want, and you just select, see, it gives you pre-installed ones, and then you just select your drive. This one's choosing drive E, which is the right flash drive, and then you hit OK and it runs, which you can use to boot this one off a flash drive. So there's many tools you can use. We're gonna do a Windows 10, whoops, it's already open, Windows 10 install. So, oh, you can also use Cloud Ready from neverware.com or .net. So like if you want Chrome OS, or Chromium OS. You can use Neverware's operating system.
Oh, okay.
Which is, you want to scroll down to home, get the free version. You scroll down, download USB Maker for Windows, hit desktop or wherever. And this one,
Is this something you have to do, or is this an alternate way of doing
that's just if you want cloud ready, because you can't get an ISO and do it through these.
it? Oh, okay.
So Windows, anything, and then this one is Unix, and then we got oh, it's already running. Cloud ready right here to let you install it that way. So there's a bunch of them.
Oh, and look at the requirements there.
Yeah, like I said, 8 GB or 16 GB stack, and it takes 20 minutes to install. So for this one, you might not want recommended system options. You might want 32-bit or 64-bit, maybe both even. I'm going to do 64-bit because that's what I'm using. And you hit flash drive, you select the drive, you hit next. It will load for a little bit and it will start your actual, I guess, creating a bootable USB, and it will start writing files here. So that is how you make a bootable USB. We'll be back when it's done. Alright y'all, so we're back. Caden stepped out for a little bit. So the flash drive is ready, and then I will show me booting into it to show that it works. We're back. As you can see, I just plugged in the USB right there and turn on the computer. And for Dell computers, you're going to want to press F12 repeatedly to get to the BIOS or UEFI. And up here it will say booting into BIOS, I believe. Yep, preparing one-time boot. It's loading my graphics card right there. And you'll want to boot into you can either do legacy boot and choose your USB storage device, or UEFI boot, which is SanDisk. I'm going to do legacy just because I'm 100% sure that works. And there's the Windows 10 logo. And it will let you go through the setup or upgrading the PC. But I'll just keep it recording to show you. My next video is going to be showing my Dell Optiplex, my upgrades I did to it, and just telling you about the overall performance of the machine. Yep, so here's the Windows setup, and you just go through it like normal. You can repair, install. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, have a good night.